Hey there, Leslie here. Let's talk about, is it time for a fresh start for you? And what is keeping you from that fresh start? Are you making the barrier bigger than it needs to be? I certainly am guilty of that. When I have a lot of clutter in my life, it could be different types of clutter, the typical clutter around the house, but it could also be that I have people in my life that are stopping me from achieving my purpose. I can still be friendly with them, but if there are people that are not believing in my dreams, if they're my family or whatever, they can be in my life, but I have to not share my dreams with them because they're not supporting it. And that can be a real drag down, okay? So what do you need to declutter in order to achieve that fresh start? When you try this new thing, it's been shown that people who try new things are much happier than people who remain stuck, who remain in a stagnant position, okay? So what is it? Is it the paralegal field that you want to get into, but you're believing what you hear, that, oh my gosh, they all want experience, so what chance do I have? None of us that started, not one person had experience that started in the career, okay? So that's a truth. And so what do you need to do in order to focus and believe that you can do this? Why aren't you making that fresh start? Why aren't you believing that you can do this? I want you to go to the paralegalcoffeetalk.com website, that's mine, and look under the Paralegal Resources Hub tab. And I want you to click on the link in there. It's free playbook. I want you to get the playbook, Paralegal Playbook, and you go to that platform where that playbook is. It's a PDF. You have to sign up for it. No charge. It's free. Download the PDF and then look at the page, especially where I talk about paralegal duties and researching them. I want you to drill down and find out what paralegals really do. And is that for you? That will give you answers, okay? So it's time to coach yourself into progress, into moving forward and making that fresh start. When you go to the website, paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under every tab. Paralegals explore. We research, we explore, we investigate. Get a notebook, and when you have that playbook, write down areas of law that you're discovering and write down what the paralegal duties are. Is that interesting to you?